Let me give you a quick walkthrough of MapR 6.0 MCS. So let me log in. So this is the new interface. They call it as Monet. So, so this is the home screen. So this actually gives you a quick overview of your cluster. For example, you can actually see the node's health and is there any active alarms. If you if you want to dismiss any alarm, so you click dismiss and then dismisses. You can actually see the CPU utilization, which is very useful if you got more nodes and you really want to understand how much CPU is being utilized right now, and also on the disk usage and also on the memory utilization. All right, so if you want to know the services, so they make it really interesting and also very clear if you want to restart and then stop or start any services. If you click on the nodes tab, it actually gives you the health of your nodes and what topology it's in. And then the data tab actually gives you whether you want to create a volume, tables, and streams. So if you click on volumes, this is actually pretty neat in terms of what topology that each volumes are in. And if you want to create volume, so there's a create volume button here, and then they make it really intuitive in terms of, for example, if I click on authorization tab. Okay, so let me create a volume name. I'm just going to create a sales slash data slash sales, and then, so for example, the replication, instead of punching numbers, they make it very intuitive. So if you click on authorization, instead of giving the numbers like 777, um, which is only for people who are very expert in Linux can understand. So they make it very intuitive on, you want read permissions, you want write permissions. Very intuitive. I really like this interface. So let me quickly cancel this. I will go to the admin tabs. So if you click on user settings, this is a generic user settings for your cluster. Okay. For example, your email address, your permissions, and your SMTP, you can configure very quickly. And if you want to do cluster settings, for example, if you want to enable auditing, of course I want to. If you want to enable data auditing, of course you want to. So if the disk balance and role balance are here, and if you add your licenses, the code is for your group and your user, the user coda and group coda, and any gateways you want to configure and any alarms. So this is very neatly done. So I really love this Monet interface. Thank you.